Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and stylish Bestier TV Stand, designed to accommodate up to a 75-inch TV with its impressive 63-inch length. This modern entertainment center combines a wood finish with vibrant LED lights, creating a unique blend of vintage charm and contemporary flair, while its acrylic fluted sliding doors offer both light transmission and privacy. With 2 storage compartments and open shelves, you can customize your storage space to keep your living room or bedroom organized and clutter-free. Crafted from high-quality particle board and supported by 6 solid wood legs, this TV stand ensures stability and durability, while the 6.2-inch clearance from the floor allows easy access for your sweeping robot. Measuring 63 inches long, 13.75 inches wide, and 18.75 inches high, it fits 65, 70, and 75-inch TVs perfectly, featuring 3 cable holes for seamless cable management. Bestier makes assembly a breeze with detailed instructions and an installation video, so you can set up your entertainment hub in no time. If you encounter any issues, their responsive customer service is just a message away, ready to assist within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.